I bought this motor with the crank bolt broken off, and did a bunch of research on different ways on how to remove it, and they all just seemed kind of hopeless. One way to remove it was to drill out. You just keep drilling this out until it gets a certain way, then you use a left spinning drill bit and drill it out. But it's the broken part is so hardened in there, it's like really hard to get out. It's really hard to drill out, actually. And then I kind of came up with this idea. I just took this like a hardened, like a little mini chisel, and on the edge, I could see like a little, you know, where the bolt broke off. There's like a little edge to it. So I just took this mini chisel and just kind of put it on this edge right here and just hammered it, and I saw it looked like it was spinning, so I was able to get it to spin, and I should be able to spin it out, which is way easier than all the nightmares you read about online about pulling the engine, taking the engine to a shop, and welding, spot welding a bolt on the end and just non-stop. But if this works, that's pretty easy. I got off really easy. So if I just try to catch this edge with the chisel and tap it, you can see it spinning. So that's quite a difference from having to weld a bolt on the end or drilling it out, taking it to a machine shop. A lot cheaper. There's no tension on it. And I did spray a little bit of stuff in here a while back, but it's coming right out. There you go.